ઓકે, હવે જો સાંભળો. FA1ની એક્ઝામ તમને બધાને ખબર છે ત્યાં સુધી જુલાઈ એન્ડમાં હશે, રાઈટ?
હા સર.
એટલે આપણે જે પોર્શન લેવાનો છે ફોર મેથ્સ, એમાં મેં પહેલાં ફર્સ્ટ 14 અને 15 ડિસાઇડ કર્યા હતા. બટ ધીસ 3 ચેપ્ટર્સ આર કેલ્ક્યુલેટિવ ચેપ્ટર્સ. ઓકે, સો વી આર
યસ.
ડિવાઇડિંગ ધીસ ઓલ ધી ચેપ્ટર ઇન calculative plus theoretical, means geometry chapter. So I am now taking chapter number 1, 5 and 6. There are 3 chapters I am asking you in FA1 exam. Chapter number 1, 5 and 6. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay. After that, we are starting with chapter number 1. After completing the chapter 1, we will start chapter number 5, and then we will start chapter number 6. Chapter number 5 is introduction to Euclid's geometry. It is very easy chapter and very short chapter. Within 2 or 3 lecture we will complete this chapter.
Okay,
Okay, and then chapter number 6 is line and
sir.
angles, this chapter. So this chapter lines and angle we will do after completing the chapter number 5. Okay,
Okay.
so during this period, about 1 month, from 21st June to 21st July, we will complete these 3 chapter, and then we will do the revision of these 3 chapter, and then your FA1 exam will come, and I am asking you these 3 chapter. Clear, all of you? You have to
Yes, sir.
write down everything in your fair book. Which everything? First, theory, every examples from the textbook. Please remember this point.
સર થિયરીમાં શું લખવાનું છે?
Okay, theory means whenever I explain you any topic, I write down everything in this whiteboard. Okay,
ઓકે સર.
you have to write down everything from
સર
this
લાઈક
whiteboard.
ડેફિનેશન એન્ડ નોટ્સ એન્ડ
Yes,
ઓલ
exactly,
ફોર્મ્યુલાઝ.
exactly. Any notes, any definition, any explanation, everything you have to write down. Clear? Then
ઓકે સર.
examples from the
થિયરમ
textbook.
એક્ઝામ્પલ એક્સરસાઇઝ we have to write three things.
1 minute, Mohammad Abbas. Examples from the textbook you have to write down in your fair book. Every exercise you have to write down. You don't need to write down extra question. Whenever I explain you everything, in which I give you some extra questions, extra examples. So you don't need to write down this extra question, but you have to write down these 3 point. Remember these 3 point. First is theory, then examples from the textbook, and exercise, every exercise. Clear, all of you?
સર
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta.
સર ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ there are first five examples, then first exercise, then two examples, then second exercise. We have to write like that only, or we have to write first
Okay,
all the examples and all.
okay, 1 minute. You have to, you can see your textbook in which first 2 or 3 example given, right? Then your exercise will come. So you have to write down first example, then you have to solve exercise. Are you getting it?
Okay, sir.
Sequence we are doing exactly as textbook. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay. Okay, so now we are starting the chapter number 1. The chapter name is
Sir,
number system. Yes, beta.
we can write the theorem back of the page.
Yes, beta.
Okay, sir.
Number system. Okay, what is the meaning of number system? It means the system of number. You know that we have only 10 digit, right? From 0 to 9.
Yes, sir.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 10 digits we have. Out of this
Yes.
10 digit, we are forming infinitely many numbers. Okay? Out of this all the number, we are classifying this all the numbers in natural number, whole number, integer number, rational number, irrational number, real number, imaginary number, etc. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay, now I am giving you example. You can see here. If I want to ask you
Sir,
what is the meaning of natural number, which number included in natural number? Can you explain me?
sir, your screen is not present.
Why?
Sir, we don't know your. You said that start, then your screen gone.
Who present the screen?
No, sir, no one is present.
Okay, now you can
It
see.
has gone automatically. Yes, sir, we can see. Yes.
Okay, now see here. Okay, first natural number, right? Which number included in natural number?
All the positive numbers except 0.
Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to infinity, right? Very good. Then which number included in whole number?
Sir, all the natural numbers plus 0.
Very good. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to infinity, right? Then third, what is which number included in integers?
Sir, all the whole numbers and all the negative numbers.
Good. Negative number plus positive number and plus 0. Good. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Which
sir.
number included in rational number?
Sir, all the integers plus fraction.
Good. All the integers plus fraction number. Which fraction number? Number written in form of p by q.
P by
Numerator
Q is
and
not equal to
denominator.
0.
It is
Not
included
equal
in
to 0.
rational number. Okay, I am giving you example. See here. Minus 2, minus 1 by 2, 0, 1, 3 by 2, like this. Okay. So every integers number and the fraction numbers are included in rational number. Are you getting these four types of number? Because of
Yes.
natural number you already studied in 5th standard. Whole number you already studied in 6th standard. Integers number and the rational numbers. Integers number already studied in 7th and rational number already you studied it in 8th standard. But in 9th standard,
Yes.
what we have to learn? In 9th standard, the topic is about irrational number. Which number?
Irrational number.
Irrational number. Irrational number means it is not rational number. Except
Yes, sir.
rational number, the rest of the number we can include it in irrational number. So which
Sir,
number we are including in irrational number?
sir,
So
there
first
are
of all,
three.
we have to
Pi,
know the
square
definition
root
of
of prime
irrational
number.
number. Please, Mohammed Abbas, please mute your mic. Whenever I ask you question, then give me answer, please. Irrational number. So first we know the definition of irrational number. Why? Whenever you know the definition, you can easily get the examples of irrational number. So I am giving you the definition. The first definition of irrational number, please see here. A number cannot return in form of p by q. First definition of irrational number. A number cannot return in form of p by q. You can see in rational number what is the definition? A number can expressed in form of p by q. It is known as rational number. But if it is not expressed in p by q form, then it is irrational number. It is the first definition. Now what is second definition of irrational number? A number having non-terminating and non-repeating expressions it is known as irrational number. Please see the definition. I am explaining everything. Okay, now see the definition. A number having non-terminating and non-repeating expressions, it is known as irrational number. Here I written two words, non-terminating and non-repeating. If you understand these two words, then you can easily understood the definition of irrational number. First of all, what is the meaning of terminating? Terminating means end point, right? So it means non-terminating means non-end. Continuous number. The continuous number, it is one condition of irrational number. If you have any number like irrational number, then the number's expressions, it is continuous expression. It is not terminating. It is non-terminating. Clear all of you? Terminating means I am giving you example right now. Then second topic, non-repeating. It means a number's expression which is not repeat. If the number is repeat, then it is not irrational, it is rational number. I am giving you example, you can see here. For example, whenever you divide 2 by 3, you get 0.666666 like this. It means it is continuous number, you can see. It is non-terminating number. But the 6 is repeating. It means it is not irrational number. If you have any irrational number, it is always non-terminating and non-repeating. બંને કન્ડિશન કમ્પલસરી ફોલો થાય તો જ તે ઇરેશનલ નંબર બને, બાકી નહીં. Again I am giving an example, please listen me carefully. Whenever you divide 2 by 3, I am giving you example, you can see here. For example, one minute boys.
ઘણી થાય છે, 4 વાર ઓનલાઈન થયો તો એ નથી, એ હું તો જ છે. આમાંથી ઓફ થઈ જાય ને એટલે તરત એના આ નંબરમાંથી ઓન થાય. 33નું શેર ન કરતા હોય સ્ક્રીનશોટ લઈને. કાંઈ છે નહીં, એણે તો બધું ચેટ ડિલીટ જ રાખ્યું છે આમાં. આમાંથી તો નંબરો ડિલીટ જ રાખ્યું હોય છે, બીજું કાંઈ નથી આમાં. પણ 11 વાગે પહેલાં મારે ફોન નંબર.
Okay boys. Okay, whenever you divide 2 by 3, okay, so we have to take 0 and 1 decimal point. Now you can see 3 6 are 18, right? 2 will be remainder. Again I am taking 0, 3 6 are 18, so it means again 2. Again I am taking 0, 3 6 are 18, again the remainder is 2. Again I am taking 0, so 3 6 are 18. So it means you can see continuously we have remainder as 2. It means the number is in continuous form. Are you getting it?
Yes, you can say.
Boys, hello,
Yes, sir.
are you getting it? Any number
Yes.
having non-terminating expressions and non-repeating expressions, it is known as irrational number. Otherwise it is not irrational number, it is rational number. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear all of you? Okay, so now first write down the definition of irrational number, natural number, whole number, integer, rational, and the definition of these two irrational numbers, two definitions. Please write down fast.
Chapter number 1, Sir, what we have to write? 15 correct.
First you have to write down natural number, then whole number, then integer number, then rational number, and then irrational number, in which you have to write down these two definitions. Clear all of you?
Yes.
She is not only uncomfortable, but she is also afraid of these coastal lights, right? Because it's very big and it's very really very giant. Even elders, if they sit, they get afraid. So if a
Rita.
child does not want to sit in that, ये पूरी स्टोरी उसके ऊपर है कि वो कैसे राइट में बैठती है, हाउ शी ओवरकम्स द फियर.
Written all of you? Write down fast.
Sir, done.
Write down fast.
Sir, written. Written.
Written all of you. Okay, now you can see the third definition of irrational number. We are writing two definitions. First definition, a number cannot written in form of p by q, it is irrational number. Then the second definition, a number having non-terminating and non-repeating expressions, it is known as irrational number. Now I am writing the third definition of irrational number. How can you identify irrational number? So please see here. What is the third definition? A number, a positive number, comma, which are not a perfect square, it is irrational number. Okay, 1 minute. I add you another word. The third definition, a square root of a okay, now you can see the complete definition. A square root of positive number which are not a perfect square, it is irrational number. It is the third definition of irrational number. On the basis of three definitions, you have to identify all irrational numbers. I am giving you one or two examples regarding to this third definition so you can clearly understood. Please see.
Sir,
You know that positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes or no? Yes or no? Hello? Hello?
yes, sir.
What happened?
Yes.
Please see on the screen. We know that we have positive integers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Out of this, if you want to find the square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2. But you can see we are not taking the square root of 2 and we are not taking the square root of 3. So we are writing like this, root 2 and root 3. Same as root 2 and root 3, we can write root 5 and root 6. Yes or no? Boys, in 8th standard, chapter number 6, square and square root, in which
Sir,
I explain you that the square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 4 is 2. Yes or no?
sir,
Yes.
we can write root 6 as root 2 into 3.
1 minute. Wait, Mohammed Abbas. It is not our topic right now. Okay? What is our topic? We have to identify irrational number. And for this, you can see I am writing the definition. A square root of positive number. Square root of positive number. So we are writing first positive number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I am taking the square root. Then square root means 1, square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 is 2. But we are not taking the square root of 2, 3, 5 and 6. You can see the definition. A square root of positive number which are not a perfect square. Perfect square means we can take the square root, and not perfect square means we are not taking the square root of this number, like this root 2, root 3, root 5 and root 6. It means root 2, root 3, root 5 and root 6 are the examples of irrational number. Are you getting it? In simple, તમે જે નંબરનું સ્ક્વેર રૂટ ન લઈ શકો એ નંબરનો સ્ક્વેર રૂટ ઇરેશનલ નંબર થાય. તમારી પાસે પોઝિટિવ ઇન્ટીજર છે 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 અપ ટુ ઇન્ફિનિટિવ. Out of this you are taking the square root of 1 as 1, square root of 4 as 2, square root of 9 as 3, square root of 16 as 4, square root of 25 as 5. The rest of the number like root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, root 10, etc. These all numbers are considered as irrational number. Are you getting it now? Are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay, yes, now third definition of irrational number. Write down the third definition of irrational number.
Sir, anytime.
Written all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in next lecture we will start our exercise for this chapter number 1 and exercise 1.1. Okay. So I am explaining you only the definition of irrational number and the concept of this.
Yes, sir.
Clear all of you?